1000 pieces for 30 rupees. How it's possible, sir? Do you know the production cost? You know everything still?
Look at him. He's crying without seeing anything. Talking about business. His name is Somu Sundaram. Age 40 years, needs to get his daughter married, has to pay a home loan, needs to pay the college fee for the son. Just like this, thousands of responsibilities are on him. Similarly, there is a lot of tension. Business is like his first wife. If the business goes right, then all the problems will end, such as his belief. In the process of seeing this first wife, he forgets his real wife.
It's the same, sir. Yes, sir. He's my acquaintance. That's why I came so far to pitch. Without looking at the order, if you talk like this, then it's not correct, sir. Okay, sir. Please don't waste my time, sir. Done.
Look at this person who is eating ice cream not knowing that it is on his shirt too. His name is Dhanpal, 80 years old. What has Somu Sundaram achieved today? Dhanpal has also achieved in his life. Destiny has made them meet each other today. Him and Somu Sundaram are alike. The only difference is that he is standing here for everything, but Somu Sundaram has just started seeing everything. Now this world will make them cross each other's path. Now what knowledge will these two give each other?
Mr. Dhanpal, will you stand a little further? It's too hot and ice cream is melting and falling on your shirt. You wouldn't know the value of it if you had purchased it. Your son must have bought it, right? By the way, where you want to go? Why you are standing in the scorching sun and suffering yourself? You know what? You are reminding me of my father. He used to do the same things. He never used to listen to any of us. What's the matter, son? Is there work stress? Yes. Why are you giving me any advice? Try to eat the ice cream properly first. I was just like you when I was your age. Now look at me. I'm sitting like this. Money wealth doesn't last forever, son. Oh, shut up. Now enough. There's nothing without money. Without money, you try to get the ticket in the bus, then you will know. Money is not important, you are saying that. You know everything and you are giving me this advice. I have also passed through your age, son. How your life must have been. Eating, sleeping, going to work, everything. That's it. Do you know how much stress we have now? Every month, EMI, light bill, telephone bill, bank loan, so many hassles. What business you do, son? Why? If I tell you, are you going to invest money in my company? Tell me. I cannot give you money, son. But I can give you a couple of advice. If I sell your advice in a shop, I won't get anything. Oh man. Huh? All these toys are very beautiful, son. What's the use of being beautiful? If they ask less than a production cost, then how will I sell it? That is my headache. If you sell all these toys, your problems will be ended. This is one problem out of 1,000 problems. 1,000 problems? State 5 specific problems. First is job. Then loan has to be paid. And there's diabetes too. I need to settle that as well. Then people should respect in the society, so I need a good government job as well. That's it. You didn't tell anything about the family? Yes, family. That is also important. Money, status, health, business, and then family. Treat all these as a toy. Which one is the important problem, my son? Money it is. If I have money, all the problems will be solved. Okay. Which of these is a special toy? Look at this glass toy. You know how much has been dropped on this graph to make it? Oh, fine. So now it's money. Next special toy? What's next? Status. Let's take this toy. This is the special toy. Next special toy? Health. This is the toy. Let's say this is a business toy. And family? Let's say this one. All that you need at this time, said to be very precious, tell me that toy. Oh, yes. This. Life is all about finding solutions, my son, to tolerate thousands things. Let's see how you do it. Oh my god, are you mad or what? All the toys are broken. Now I have to throw them all. Everything is broken or what? In life, we go in search for thousands of things without any benefits to us, and they break at the end like this glass toy, son. And at the end, what we are left with is family. This shirt, my son never purchased, son. I purchased for myself. I lost my family behind running for work all the time. When he was 10 years old, I stopped talking to him, and he sent me to old age home. There's no point in blaming him. I didn't give him love and time. Last time when I was happy with him, he was just 8 years old. We were in a fair while he was eating ice cream. He was on my shoulders that time I got stained. I remember all the happy things and the time which we spent together. When you said, I reminded you of your father, but you know what? Looking at you, I am recalling my old days. You should not become like me. I still have one shirt left. Your shirt is very clean, son. Hello? Yeah, tell me. No, I will be back home very soon. My work is finished.